How are you?
This is supposed to be my office.
Have your seat. Have your seat.
In my office.
Your office?
What are you doing on my seat? That is my seat. Stand up from that seat now.
Calm down. You are the boss of this office. Hey, yes, I do. But you know, say nothing lasts forever. So I'm practicing it now because they told me in my church that I'll be the next boss in the company I will work or where I'm working. So I'm practicing it now.
Can you hear yourself? So they told you I was the one that prayed for the other boss to be sacked before becoming the boss. It will not be well with you and everything that concerns you. Stand up from that seat now.
Be calming down, no. Be calming down. You are the boss. Yes, I know. But you are the boss before you become the main boss. So when they sack you, I climb.
You come to my office on my seat and you're saying all this. Stand up from that seat now before I do something you will regret.
Sir, calm down.
Or leave that seat.
Calm down.
Or leave that seat. Young man. Wake up. What are you doing here? Jesus! Can we help you? What is going on here?
What do we do?
Call the doctor. Call the doctor. Let me have the doctor. From what I see here, you've been out of school for 5 years.
Very true, I'm out of school for 5 years. Very correct.
So how come you've not gotten a job yet?
For me, not getting a job is family problem. It's a ritual, but there's no need to get scared or fear anything.
Family problem, how do you mean?
So I've gone for deliverance.
Just asking because I don't want you to bring bad luck to my establishment. You understand it?
No bad luck. No, I've gone for deliverance. You won't get any bad luck. You won't have any bad luck. Except
what?
Except you reject my proposal of giving me work in this place. That's when the bad luck will come.
I reject it. There will be no problem in this establishment.
Except so, man. That's just the truth.
Computer. From what I see here, you said you are conversant with the computer. How true is that?
Computer. Computer, no problem about computer. Computer. In my former life, not now, sir. In my former life, I was a Yahoo boy.
Yahoo boy? How come your life is this complex? I hope your plan is not to come and defraud this company.
No, I'm not defrauding any company. Like I said before, in my former life, that's why I let you know that in my former life. So now, I'm clean. Yeah! You don't have anything to worry.
So your way is straight now.
That's why I'm looking for work.
You know, one of the company policies is to see how to rehabilitate young men like you and give them second chance. And let me see what I can do with you. The system is yours. Let me see what you can do on the system.
The system?
Yes, let me see what you can do on the system.
I should come over.
Can you let me see what you can do? Easy. So what exactly are you doing now?
Okay, wait. I'm trying to arrange the alternator and the compressor together.
You are a movement.
Fast.
Alternator. Inside the system?
Yes, sir.
Or my car outside?
No system. Don't worry.
This system?
When I finish, you will see what I'm doing. When I finish now, you know. You know. Confirm.
I perceive smoke.
It seems like the alternator and the compressor, they are bad. They are bad. We need to change it.
Compressor inside this system. Yeah! Secretary!
Sir.
Secretary! Sir. Please come.
Sir, what's smelling here?
call the police immediately. Now.
Okay, sir.
So why?
See, for everything you damage in this office, I'll make sure you pay.
It's not me, it's your corporate.
These are the same things you were explaining in the police station.
Go, my village people have come now. They have. See.
You want to do more damages? Yes! You go nowhere, young man. You go nowhere. You will explain all this to the police. Don't worry. You will explain to the police.
Hey! Okay, please, sir. It's not me. It's the carburetor and the
Just be very patient. You will explain this to the police.